Hello everyone, it's Rose here from Korean class. Today I'm going to be talking about very easy Korean word. So headline, 자음과 모음을 더해요. 자음 is consonant and 모음 is vowels. And 더해요 means plus. Because 자음 is 지읒, 디귿, 비읍, 지읒, 지읒, 치읓, 기역, something like that. 자음 and 모음 is 아, 우, 아, 이, 우, 아, 이. These are 모음. So 자음 plus 모음, it can be letter, complete letter. This is 한글, right? So let's have a look. First one, 지읒 is J and A is A. So this is 자. And second word is 디귿 is D and 우 is U. So this is 두. So 자두 is one of fruit. So 자두 is plum. Plum in Korean. 자두. And second one, 비읍 is B and A is also A. So this is 바. And 지읒 is J and E is I. So this is 지. 바지. Yes. This is pants. Pants in Korean is 바지. Okay? And last one, 지읒 is J and 우 is U. So this is 주. And 치읓 is S and A is A. 사. And 기역 is G and E is I. So it's 기. So 주사기 is syringe. Syringe is 주사기. So I'm gonna say one more time. 자두 is plum in Korean, and 바지 is pants in Korean, and 주사기 is syringe in Korean. So that's all for me today. Thank you for watching my video, and please remember to like and subscribe. Well, see you later, guys.